Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Pooja Deshmukh and I am delivering lecture for BCom third year students, and the topic is, in your third unit you have a communication skills topic, and in that you have a employability skills. So today we will learn about the employability skills. So this topic, or we can say from this unit you cover 8 marks. So you will be asked 2 marks questions, 4 marks questions of 2. So you have to solve 2 questions out of 3. So it covers 8 marks. So in employability skills, we see that there are 4 important points that are important for getting employed. So first is leadership skill, teamwork skill, time management and stress management. So these are the subtopics that are included in employability skills. So basic aim of education is what? The basic aim of education is to create a good human beings and to create a successful human beings with a good moral ethics, with a good academics. So for that reason you should have these qualities in you. You all know that you have a skills in you, but you have to flourish that skills, and for that you will be helpful for following these points. So these are the qualities you can say that are important to get employed. So you can get employment if you have a leadership skills, you have a teamwork skills, you have a time management skill and a stress management. So firstly we will see leadership skills. So what do you know about leadership skills? तुम्हाला माहिती आहे लीडरशिप स्किल म्हणजे काय? आपण सगळेजण पुढे जात असतो. पुढे जात असतो म्हणजे काय? कोण व्यक्ती पुढे जातो? हु इनिशिएट्स, जो पहिलं पाऊल पुढे टाकतो तो पुढे जातो. वी आर लिव्हिंग इन सोसायटी, वी आर ग्रुप, बट दोज हु कॅन फॉरवर्ड ऑनवर्ड्स, that are successful people. For that reason leadership quality is very important. In employment also, if you are employed also but you are a stagnant if you are not a leadership quality, and the first important thing for a leadership quality to develop a leadership skill is that you should be ready to accept the challenges. What are challenges? Challenges is you should be ready to interact with people, you should have a good communication skills, then you should be ready to take anything that are on time, because we are afraid of taking decisions on time. So decision making is also important, and then we should have a confidence. Confidence is very important to lead anything. So if you have a leadership quality, तुमच्याकडे जर leadership quality असेल तर तुम्ही कोणत्याही क्षेत्रामध्ये सक्सेसफुल होऊ शकता. So that is the main motive to getting employed. So in employability skills, this way leadership skill is important. तर तुम्हाला आता जर क्वेश्चन विचारला गेला लीडरशिप स्किल वर लिहायला, सो यू कॅन राईट डाउन इन योर ओन वे. ओके, सो these topics, communication skills, are not only for your exam purpose but these are important for developing yourself from a college stage. So next topic is teamwork skill. So how teamwork skill is? We all know that we are living in a society. So man are living in society. So we have to work together. We have to work in team, and for that reason you should be capable for understanding other people, because whenever you will understand others you can be better performed in a teamwork. So teamwork quality is very important, and in teamwork what happens, you can share ideas of others also, because whenever you are working alone you are only living for yourself, you are working for yourself, you are sharing only your stress. So whenever you are working in team, so you have many brains together, so we have many ideas to perform that work. That's why, and the stress is also shared in team, because if you are working alone you are only sharing your stress, so that is very hectic task for yourself. But in team all work together, all share their own feelings and own stress. So this way teamwork is important. So what happens in teamwork? The most important thing is that in teamwork you have to solve others' problems. So you can get solutions also very easily, because there are so many skills working together. So we can get skills, you can get solutions for a problem. So sometimes getting employed, why team is important? Because your emotions and feelings are also shared, not only your workplace. So this way teamwork skill is important. Then we can see time management. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांनाच माहिती आहे जगात तोच व्यक्ती सक्सेसफुल आहे जो टाइमचं योग्यपणे मॅनेजमेंट करू शकतो. कारण आपण सगळ्या गोष्टींसाठी काय म्हणताय की आपल्याकडे वेळ नाही आहे. वाय वी डोंट हॅव अ टाइम बिकॉज वी आर नॉट मॅनेजिंग इट. So managing time is very important and how we can manage the time. If you are working, then you have to accomplish the task on a time. Then only you can be rewarded. Otherwise you are doing your task and your deadline is over, then you cannot be rewarded. That's why time management is important. Those students, तुमच्यामध्येच काही विद्यार्थी, they are managing their time, they are managing their timetable of study also. So they can be more successful than you. Because you can buy anything with a money, but you cannot buy any time with a money. So we say that the time is money. So those who can manage the time on a time, those are the people that are successful. That's why time management is important in your workplace also. If you are not accomplish your work on a time, then your time work is waste product, because time is very much important in your life and for working place, for employability, for getting success in your life. If you are managing time on a time, that means you are a